In the second video of this series, we looked at how to start the game, put our sprite in, which are bananas, and move our bananas around. The next thing we need to do now is how to finish the game and also move on to a next level. Now, we haven't done a third backdrop, but your task will include you doing a third backdrop where it actually moves to a next level. And that will then have a different maze for you to play. So how do we do that? Well, the thing is we need to put another command in with our banana. And what that says is when it touches the black of the end here, it finishes and goes back to where it started. And also jumps to the next level, which will be a different maze. So to do that, we're looking for another event. Now, we're going to be looking at the green flag event. So look at events. When it's green flag, and remember we've got our bananas here, so we're programming for the sprite. When that's clicked, we want to do something forever. We want to continually check whether that has, let's go to our different backdrop. There we go. We want to continually check, code. We want to continually check that if that banana has touched the black of the end. So how do we do that? Well, it's going to be an if statement. And go back to our sensing again, touching color. Now the same way we do it, dropper, go to end, get the dark color. Whoop. You might have to move it a little bit to get the right color. There you go. If it touches that color, we want it to do two things. First of all, we want it to return to where it started. So we go to our motion and we go to X. So in other words, that's the position. It's a coordinate. Just like the graphs that you use in maths, this is an X and Y coordinate of where the banana sits. And you can see it actually matches what's on here. So I don't have to do anything, which is really good. And then finally, what do we want? We want to send a message. So we go to events again. We go to broadcast. This time we want a new message. And our new message is going to be next level, which means that it's going to change it to the next level once it gets the message. But we haven't done a next level yet. Doesn't matter. Okay, finally we cross our fingers and hopefully it all works. So let's start with clicking our green, and there comes up our instructions. Now we're going to click the banana. It actually starts the game. So let's use our left keys. Whoop, a bit far. Up keys, right key, down arrow, left arrow, down arrow, right arrow, down arrow. All right, well, this will be the test. If it actually touches, when it touches the end, it should stop the game and take it back to where it started. And it does. There we go. So that's pretty good. Our game works, and that's how to create a maze game on Scratch.